Globally, 4.2 billion use unsafe sanitation facilities, which is more than half of the world. Nearly 2 billion defecate in the open. Even in a country like the United States of America, there are more than 500,000 homeless people, and many defecate in the open. In countries where open defecation is prevalent, public health is at stake, because open defecation enables transmission of infectious diseases via the fecal-oral route. Without proper sanitation facilities, waste from infected individuals can contaminate a community's land and water, thus increasing the risk of infection for other individuals. The problem does not stop here. Open defecation places women and girls in danger. It also causes loss in efficiency and valuable time that can be spent on productive tasks. When there is no toilet at school, children are going home to use the toilet or defecating on the school grounds. Girls are often absent from school during menstrual periods. Even if toilets are built and there is no open defecation, fecal sludge management continues to be a challenge. Then the accumulated fecal sludge needs to be safely emptied, transported to a treatment plant, treated and used for resource recovery or disposed of safely. However, most fecal sludge is not properly managed and is directly impacting the environment. Apathy of people towards the safe sanitation and environment is also one of the main reasons. The sanitation economy is growing. Currently valued at $97 billion, it is estimated to grow to $148 billion by 2030. Nirgandh has chosen to be a contributor to this economy. But where did the story begin for Nirgandh?
I was visiting this village in Himachal Pradesh, and I found that girl students were dropping out of school because there were no toilets. And that kind of distressed me. I could not understand why toilets was a rocket science. And if I had this engineering education, is there something that I can do about it to give back to society? And that's what started me on this journey to understand what toilets were all about, understand how they work, why is it so difficult, and what stops people from constructing those, and what stops people from using them at home. What is it? Why is it that they don't have them at all in their home?
Nirgandh is a social impact business. As an enterprise, we want to get sustainable sanitation that helps contribute to the environment. The endeavor is to ensure that the bottom of the pyramid is taken care of. Over a period of time, we will have KPIs that are not only about revenue, but about the impact we create. For example, how much water saved, how much water recycled, how many lives impacted. Wanting to be a part of sustainable development for our future generations, the team is driven by passion to act as a catalyst and make a difference. The focus is on to bring positive change in our consumers' life through our solutions, services, and passion for quality. Our customers appreciate the commitment with which the team at Nirgandh works. The level of flexibility displayed, the focus on wanting to deliver quality, and the simplicity and ease of the solution, combined with integrity and dependability. Our mission is to become the largest provider of technology-driven, environment-friendly, decentralized fecal sludge management products and services in India in the next 5 years, and create a significant presence in international markets. Nirgandh will provide water-saving affordable WASH, that is water, sanitation and hygiene systems for sustainable, resilient, healthy sanitation practices that save lives and increase economic activity potential.
Nirgandh biodigester toilets, I feel, is one of the best products for India. And the reason I say that is because they are eco-friendly units, they are easy to keep them clean, it does not contaminate the groundwater, they are affordable, low-cost solutions, and very little maintenance is required. They provide safety for women, they are waterless, odorless, and very convenient. According to climate change also, biodigester toilets, they emit 90% less greenhouse gases than open defecation and 45% less than pit latrine.
Our solutions work on breaking the sanitation chain and treating the fecal sludge on site. The uniqueness of our solution is that it can be adapted for a single household, multiple households, and for a very large population too. We are probably the only organization which is working on fecal sludge management at multiple levels.
No usage of chemicals in any external source of energy makes these designs work across terrains and temperatures. We are a market disruptor and are providing these toilets starting at Rs 25,000, which is 40% the cost of traditional comparable toilet options.
Nirgandh solutions can be implemented across geographies and demography. The Nirgandh user can be found in the rural, peri-urban and urban areas. The user can be an individual family, a cluster of families or a community. The USP of Nirgandh is technology-driven, environment-friendly, sustainable and affordable sanitation solutions. That's sanitation for all. Let's now look at how this technology works. Using these solutions, we have created success stories. Nirgandh also graduated as one of the 12 startups selected globally by Nasdaq Entrepreneurial Center for their Milestone Maker program. Ashish Mehrotra, the CEO, represented Nirgandh in the program. Nirgandh and Ashish appeared on the Nasdaq wall in Times Square, New York. Going forward, what does Nirgandh want to achieve?
My vision for Nirgandh that it will be an ethical business serving people at the bottom of the pyramid. It will be a social impact business which helps people rise from their levels of poverty to having greater economic opportunity by not wasting their time in open defecation.
The endeavor is to provide solutions that are in tandem with the national and global sanitation goals. Nirgandh, a social impact business, wants to impact the environment and society by generation and reuse of 30 million liters of water every day, and in the process impact 10 million lives where 5 million women feel safe and empowered.
To know more about this journey of sustainable sanitation, do reach out to us.